and our rural area will become very progressive and shift to large cities will come to a grinding halt. So this requires a very comprehensive planning and comprehensive, effective implementation. I was in China in June this year, and I visited, amongst other provinces, Shanxi province. And in Xi'an, we went to one of the finest agri-center in China. And whatever we saw over there, at least I was wonderstruck. Most modern methods and practices were deployed over there, we saw over there. And yet China is still a net importer of agri-products, livestock, and many other areas where Pakistan can get a space, provided we are able to understand today's demands and are able to put in place required mechanism. Government of Pakistan is fully committed and dedicated to provide all kinds of support to our exporters, to our producers,